Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove phone number from Okcupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You will see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to remove your phone number from your account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now over here you can see the settings option, tap on it. Once you're in the settings menu, you can see the phone number option over here, tap on it. Over here it will show up your phone number that you have registered with. I'm using the mobile app right now, so it might not allow me to change the phone number to it. So here you can see the help link, tap on it. It will take you to the help page of Okcupid and it will show you all the instructions that you need to update your phone number. So in order to update your phone number, you will need to access your Okcupid account through the web browser. So I'll quickly navigate to Okcupid, login. Now I'm logged into my account through the browser. Now again I'll go to the settings, I'll tap on my profile and settings. And once you are here, scroll down and here you can see the phone number section. In order to remove your phone number, here you can see the edit phone option. You can tap on it and complete the process. So that's it. That's how you can easily remove your phone number from Okcupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.